The Simply Conserve tabletop air purifier is easy to operate. Its intuitive controls allow you to adjust the filtration fan speed, set running times, and lock the display to prevent accidental setting changes. The filter replacement indicator lets you know when it's time to replace the filter. When the unit is running, press the filtration fan speed button repeatedly until the desired speed indicator is illuminated. The speed can be set to low, medium, high, and sleep. When in sleep mode, the fan will run while all other indicators are off. Press any key to exit sleep mode. When the unit is running, press the timer button repeatedly until the desired runtime indicator is illuminated. The timer can be set for 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours. To prevent accidental setting changes, press and hold the display lock button for 3 seconds until you hear a sound. The panel will then enter display lock state. If you try pressing any other buttons, they will not work, and the display lock indicator will flash 3 times to show the lock is active. To exit lock mode, hold the display lock button for another 3 seconds to prompt the indicator noise and exit display lock mode. When the advanced cartridge's filters need to be replaced, the indicator light will flash for 10 seconds and then remain red until the filters are cleaned or replaced. After you have cleaned the pre-filter and replaced the True HEPA H13 and super absorbent carbon filters, press and hold the filter button for 3 seconds. This resets the system and turns off the indicator light. Using the intuitive control display, the Simply Conserve tabletop air purifier a breeze to operate. Easy to use, the Simply Conserve tabletop air purifier lets you sit back, relax, and breathe easier.